Hey, Dr. Badijo here. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to select by attributes and then export the selected features into a new feature class. This is particularly useful when you have a larger data set and you want to only select specific items in that data set and export them as a separate layer. So here I've got an example data set of settlement patterns in the region of Peru. I've already set up my attribute table. This took a little bit of time to delineate, different chronological periods for each of these sites, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to export the next set of sites in my sequence. I already did my formative, early intermediate period sites, and now I'm on my middle horizon. So what I'll start with is identifying my feature class, which I'm going to be selecting from. That will be here, Límites de los Sitios. I go up here to the top, Selection, Select by Attributes, making sure that up here where it says Layer, I have that specific layer in that little drop box there. Then if I have something already down here in this white space, in this little field, I want to erase it because I want to start something new. And I can use all of these these are basically the column headers in my attribute table. And I'm looking for middle horizon, so I'll double click, it pops up down here for a little expression, and then I'm going to say equals, and I filled it out. If it had occupation during that time period, I put a 1, and if it didn't, it would be a 0. Now I can either type it in down here as a 1 and 0, or I could say get unique values. This basically draws on my attribute table showing me every single unique value that's possible. And as I said, it's just a 1 and 0, so double click 1, puts it in the expression, hit apply, and as you can see here on my screen, they're all selected. So I can just hit OK and close that out there. Right click on the layer that I want to export from, go down to Data, Export Data. It says here Export Selected Features, good. I'll make sure that the coordinate system is from the source layer because I'm happy with that. And then I want to delineate where it goes. So go into All Site Data, and I want to name it something like these ones that I just did there. I'll call this here Middle Horizon Sites. Looks good to me. Save. OK. Boom. Do I want to add it to the map? Sure. And there I have my Middle Horizon Sites layer. And I'm just going to keep doing this for each of the different time periods for the settlement patterns. So essentially what we just learned here is how to select by attribute, create an expression, make the selection, and then export that selection to create your own feature class. Thanks for watching.